To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Pop off the wire clip. Disengage the fasteners. Pull the housing to the right to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF9912 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the wire clip. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.